This is the stage our building work has got to. Nothing has been done now for perhaps about 6 weeks. Unfortunately, working with family doesn't always work out, and they can't commit to coming and getting it done. By now, I mean, today's January the 1st, by now we'd have expected the block work to have been up there, and we'll put in either a temporary roof on or actually getting a roof on and then making it watertight. So unfortunately a lot of this has to come down now and be restarted. The drains have still got to be moved, the radon sump has still got to go in. Yeah, so groundwork isn't even complete, and when you think we started this back in April, so it's cost us a lot of money. It's going to cost us a lot of money to get it put right. And Tuesday we have got new builders, weather permitting, starting, and yeah, and weather permitting, they reckon a couple of weeks and they will have the block work done. So yes, so they're going to do all the redo all the repair work, get the drains moved, get the groundwork done, and yeah, so hopefully in a few weeks we will actually see some real progress. And the moral of the story is never work with a family, because it just doesn't work out. So yeah, unfortunately that is the state of play. So my next update will hopefully show you